again, when it comes to the FICO Classic credit score, a derogatory is a derogatory. What do you mean, Dennis? A negative is a negative. There is no such thing as big or small. It literally could be like we have on the model there, a $25 medical collection, or it could be a $45,000 repossession, or it could be a late, or it could be a charge-off. It doesn't matter. The coding is the same. The impact is the same as far as the coding. So then, if a derogatory is a derogatory, then why do some derogatory affect the score more so than others? Well, it's pretty simple. It's time. The more recent the derogatory, the more impact it's going to have on the credit score. Simple as that. Well, almost as simple as that, because although that's the way it was designed, in other words, if the FICO credit score was designed to emulate real statistics in order to predict the likelihood of somebody paying on time and to try to assess an accurate risk value represented by this 3-digit score, one of the things they understood was, when did the person go negative? And the further back that was, and the more positive they've done since then. In other words, this, hey, I had this financial storm. We have since been doing good. That's a thing of my past. I've got, 2 years of good history going forward. Then that's rewarded. The older it is, the less impact it has on the score. Again, in its original design. 33 years later, it's not doing quite what it's designed to do. Now, we said FICO Classic treats and codes all derogatory the same. However, today's consumer scores, that's not the case. Matter of fact, in today's consumer scores, there are certain trade lines that it doesn't even see within its algorithm. For example, FICO 8 doesn't see a collection under $200. It's like it's non-existent. Where Vantage Score, like on our Credit Karma and many other today's monitoring services use, doesn't see a third-party collection under $400. None of these newer algorithms tend to weigh heavily at all, if any, on a medical collection. These are substantial differences between today's consumer scores and the one that's decisioning your loan, which is the FICO Classic, because it sees it. It doesn't matter if it's 25 or 50 bucks. It doesn't matter that it's a medical. It doesn't matter that it was just a late payment on a credit card. So derogatory is not only just not even seen if it's certain types or under certain amounts, but the newer consumer scores will also weigh differently on different types of derogatories.